The indoor kale plant is still doing okay. It's growing fine. Here's the chili plant that was overwintered, and it seems to be doing fine. And at the bottom, it's growing really well. The parsley in the Swiss chard indoors is still going great, still giving me a crop. And the spinach is still going strong. In its third year, this plant. This is the tomato that was overwintered last year, and it's growing well from the bottom again, and the old bits go up and up and up and up, and then it splits, goes over to one side and along on this side as well, and this side is a little bit stronger, and we do actually have little green tomatoes. We have flowers. Looking forward to getting tomatoes in April. With all the rain we've had, the tea with weeds and leaves is filled up again, so I need to decant some of that off. The purple sprouting broccoli is finally coming out on some of the plants. Some are still a bit behind, but I did put it in late last year, so that's to be expected. The gooseberries are coming out, and it's going gangbusters. The kale is still going strong. I'm still getting a good harvest of it, but it is coming to the end of the season, so any day now I'll have to just take out what I can and get rid of them, ready to replant something else in these spots. The Swiss chard is okay, it's still producing. The perpetual composter is still going well. Obviously it's just coming out of winter, so it's still a bit fuller than it would normally be. I get a good little crop daily from both the Swiss chard and the kale. I like to pick the kale leaves when they're small so I can chop them up into salads, and it saved me a fortune in buying bagged salads from the supermarket in winter.